Hello everyone, my name is Shubh and welcome back to After Hours Code. So in today's video, we are going to cover a real-time scenario and the question that is asked in interviews for many companies like TCS, Infosys. So all big MNCs ask this question. So let's continue. So the scenario is whenever account phone field is updated, then all related contact phone field should also get updated with the parent account field. So this is our scenario. So we will cover this with best practice. So let's move on to developer console. Okay. So here we are. So I will open the developer console. So as we are covering this with the best practice. So first we will create trigger and then we will create Apex class. So let's create. So I will give name account trigger. The object is account and we'll create the handler class. We get the account trigger handler. Okay, so I'll code here. Okay, so before we start, so let's first understand. So we are updating the related field. Okay, so you remember the thumb rule, right? If we are updating any related object, then we should use always after trigger. Okay, so we will use after trigger here. So let's start. We'll create class public static void. I will give name update contact phone. Will take list of account. We'll give name account list and we'll create map. Okay, so here you will take ID account. So this will hold the values of old values for the account. Okay, so here we will use map. So using map, it will take less time to execute. So map ID, then account, then account map, new map ID account. Okay, so we will use for loop account ACC. Okay, so we are going to use this ACC list. Okay, so ACC list. So this will hold all the records which are going to update. Okay, so now we will check the condition under this if account phone. Okay, so we will check account phone is not equals to old map dot get dot account dot id dot phone. Okay, so what this line is saying, if this account phone, okay, so if let's say on account, if there is any number, so let's say here it is 1 2 3 4, this is my current number. Okay, and the old number, let's say this number is updated. Okay, updated from what? From 2 2 3 3 4 4. Okay, so this will be the old value and this is the new value. Okay, so what we are checking, if these two values, this new value and old value, these both values are not same, then what I'm going to do, I will save this value this record ID into this account map. Okay, so let's do that. Account map dot put. Okay, so we are using the map, so I'll take the account ID and account. Okay, now let's create another list. Okay, this will be the contact list. Okay, so this will contain the list of contacts which are updated. Okay, so we will query select ID account ID phone from contact where account ID in account map. Okay, account map dot key set. We'll use key set. Why I'm using this key set? Because map will give us in key value pair values. Okay, so this is key and this is the value, so that's the reason we are taking this as key set. Okay, so this account map is containing the account ID which is whose phone is updated, and by fetching this details we are getting what for updated. Okay, so we will fetch this. Now I will use, okay, before that let's create one more list for contact. Okay, so this list will contain the new list of contact which is updated by account. So contacts to update. Okay, new list contact. Okay, so we will apply for loop on contact. Okay, so the on contact list which we fetched from the account ID. Okay, so account contact con list, that will be our list on which we are applying the for loop. So here we are applying the for loop on this. Okay, so this will contain the contact details. So what we are going to check, we are going to assign the account phone value to contact phone value. So here we have access to contact. Okay, that is being updated, that is related to account. So contact phone, and then we will take the value from account. So account map dot get, this is a method. Okay, so con dot account ID dot phone. Okay, so using this we have the number which is updated on account, that is being assigned to this contact phone. Okay, so now we will add this to this list, new list. Why we are doing this? Because we have to follow the best practice. Okay, so we cannot assign or we cannot apply any DML inside any for loop. So we will just simply add this new contact to this newly created list. Okay, so let's do that. Contacts to update dot add con. Okay, so this will add all the contacts that is updated. Okay, so now we will apply one more check, that if contacts to update this list, okay, is not empty. So this is a function. Okay, this is a function which checks if list is empty. So we are checking list should not be empty. Okay, if list is not empty, that means there is some record that is assigned to this list, or that is added to this list. So now here we will apply the DML. So we are going to update. Okay, update this context to update. Okay, now our account trigger handler logic is ready. Okay, we will save this. Okay, this is saved without any error. Now we will apply the trigger condition here. Okay, so we have to apply the after trigger, after update. Okay, now here I will apply, or I will use the context variables. Okay, so if in case we are having any other if we are having operations on any other context, then we can simply use that. So let's do that. Okay, so we'll apply this if trigger for is update, and if trigger is after. Okay, so this is our trigger handler methods. So I'm going to copy this. Then yeah, what is our method then? This method. Okay, so here we are passing the new values, trigger.new, and here we have to pass the old values, trigger.old map. So we will reference as a map because we are using map here. Okay, so let's save this. Okay, it got saved, and let's check if this logic is working fine. So I'll go to account. Okay, we'll create a new account. Account trigger test. Okay, we'll create a related contact. So test team phone value. So you can see here the phone value is empty, because here in account also the field value is empty. So we are going to update this to 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so this should be updated on the related contact. So you can see, right? So let me change one more time. I'll change it to 0 0 0, and let's see if it is changed or not. So yeah, we can say it is working fine. So let's go back to the code again, and let's understand the logic again. What we did, we have taken the list, which account list, and the old map. This old map is containing the old values for the account record. Okay, and then we created the map, this account map. This is holding the values of the account which is updated. So we can say this account phone value that is updated, that is stored in this account map. Using that account map, using that account which is updated, we have fetched the contact. So I have asked this list, just give me the contact whose account phone is updated. Okay, here then again I applied this loop to this list, and then I said, okay, give me the contact. Then on that contact, particular contact whose account got updated, so I assigned the phone to that contact with the value of that account phone. Okay, and then I added to this list, and then just updated and this list. Okay, so this is it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this session. So just like, subscribe, and share this video, and stay tuned for more videos related interview questions. So thank you guys. See you in the next video.